Hi everyone, welcome to Learning Math with VK. Today we explore lesson 14 in algebra, solving quadratic inequalities using zeros and vertex. This is useful in finding the domain of radical and logarithmic functions. Before we begin examples, let's take a look at two definitions. One, a quadratic inequality is an inequality in which one side of the inequality is a quadratic expression. Two, the zero of an equation or a function is the value of x in which its output is zero. Now we can do the example. Let's take a look at x squared minus x minus 6 greater than 0. X squared minus x minus 6 is the graph more than 0. It's above the x-axis. So to graph a quadratic function, we just have to figure out is 0. To figure out the 0, we set the output to 0. So that is, we set x squared minus x minus 6 equal to 0. And then from here, we factor x minus 3, x plus 2 equal to 0. So we have x minus 3 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x equal 3, x equal minus 2, 2, 0. You can graph them up here, x, y, minus 2, 3. Because this is strictly more than, you got to put an open circle around it 2 and 3. The parabola will be just a regular parabola because the coefficient of x squared is positive. The solution is x, and x is the numbers that is, of course, on the x-axis. Notice that the 2, 0 cut the x-axis into 3 different intervals. Negative infinity 2, negative 2, negative 2 to 3, 3 to infinity. The interval that correspond to the graph above the x-axis are negative infinity to negative 2 and 3 to infinity. And thus, this is the solution. Negative 4x squared plus 12x minus 9 greater than or equal to 0. Same thing here. This is the graph greater than or equal to, let's say, above or on x-axis. First, let's figure out the 0. Minus 4x squared plus 12x minus 9 equal to 0. To solve for x, we factor the negative 1. 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. So we have 4x squared minus 12x plus 9 equal to 0. And then from here, we can factor this. 2x minus 3 squared equal to 0. The factor tells us that there's only one 0. Right? 2x minus 3 equal to 0. X is 3 over 2. Only one 0. x, y. So x equal 3 over 2 is 3 over 2. The parabola, because the coefficient of x squared is negative, it's going to be an upside down parabola. And we have a solid circle at 3 over 2 because we have an equality equal to in the inequality. The 0 divide the x-axis into 2 intervals. But then we don't care about that. We just care about the point on the x-axis that is above or on the x-axis. And the only point that's above or on the x-axis is 3 over 2. So I mean the answer here is x equals 3 over 2. That's the only answer. Okay. Let's take a look at another example. Last one. X squared minus 2x plus 4 greater than 0. Graph above x-axis. We have to figure out the output of this function to see if it has any 0 by setting x squared minus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. Unfortunately, we cannot factor. So we have to use another way to sketch the graph, right? We can sketch fx equal x squared minus 2x plus 4 using vertex. Let's do the complete in the square. X squared minus 2x plus 1 over 2 times negative 2 square minus 1 over 2 times negative 2 square plus 4. X squared minus 2x plus 1 minus 1 plus 4. X squared minus 2x plus 1 factor out 2b x minus 1 square minus 1 plus 1 is plus 3. Vertex is 1, 3. Sketch it. X, Y. 1, 3. This is the vertex. The coefficient of x squared is positive, so just have a parabola. Let's go up. Look at the graph here. It is completely above the x-axis. So the solution here is R value on the x-axis, negative infinity to infinity. Thank you for watching. I hope you find the content useful. Please like and subscribe to help the channel grow. I'll see you in the next video.